Right, so this is going to be a really short video because I haven't filmed any of the bodywork because that's all I've been filming lately. It must be getting pretty tedious to watch, but I have finished blocking all the rest of it in 320 now, and I'm nearly there with the 320. All I've got to do is I've got to do a tiny little repair on that tailgate, but everything else is all nice and flat now and all in 320 grit. So next time I'll be coming around here, I would just literally take about half hour to do the little repair on that tailgate, and then I've got to do it all in 600, and then we'll be ready to paint. So I will need to wrap my garage in plastic when I do that. So yeah, this is really just an update video today. But just wander you around the car. And I think I've got every little bit, I hope. But it is what it is. It's as straight as I can get it anyway. So, right, so like I said, just a quick update video, and I will catch you all soon with a proper one.